Welcome back to my channel. Luxury Drive Car 2025 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170, a machine that redefines the boundaries of modern muscle cars. Buckle up as we explore its engineering marvels, performance capabilities, design intricacies, and the legacy it upholds. Let's start under the hood, where the heart of the Demon 170 resides. This beast is powered by a supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8 engine, meticulously engineered to deliver unprecedented performance. When fueled with E85 ethanol, it churns out a staggering 1,025 horsepower and 945 pound-feet of torque. Even with standard 91-octane gasoline, it still produces an impressive 900 horsepower and 810 pound-feet of torque, showcasing its versatility and raw power. The engineering behind this powerhouse is nothing short of remarkable. The 3.0-liter supercharger, an upgrade from its predecessors, provides a 40% increase in boost pressure compared to the Hellcat models. This enhancement, combined with fortified internal components and an advanced fuel injection system capable of delivering up to 624 liters of fuel per hour, ensures the Demon 170's dominance on both street and strip. Performance metrics of the Demon 170 are jaw-dropping. It rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 1.66 seconds, achieving a G-force of 2.004 GZA, the highest ever recorded for a production car. The quarter-mile is conquered in just 8.91 seconds at over 151 miles per hour, a feat so extreme that it led to an NHRA ban for surpassing the 9-second threshold without additional safety equipment. To harness this immense power, Dodge has equipped the Demon 170 with an array of performance features. The Trans Brake 2.0 system allows drivers to preload the transmission for quicker launches, while the unique drag mode suspension optimizes weight transfer during acceleration. Additionally, the staggered wide-body design not only enhances its aggressive stance but also accommodates wider drag radial tires, ensuring maximum grip. The exterior design of the Demon 170 is a testament to functional aesthetics. Its wide-body kit, pronounced hood scoop, and aerodynamic enhancements are not just for show, they serve to improve airflow and stability at high speeds. Optional carbon fiber wheels reduce unsprung weight, contributing to better handling and acceleration. Inside, the Demon 170 balances performance with comfort. The driver-centric cockpit features performance seats with Alcantara or leather upholstery, providing both support during spirited drives and comfort for daily use. Advanced infotainment systems with performance data logging allow drivers to monitor and fine-tune their driving experience, merging technology with muscle heritage. The Demon 170 isn't just about straight-line speed, it's a celebration of Dodge's commitment to muscle car culture. As the automotive industry shifts towards electrification, the Demon 170 stands as a roaring farewell to the era of high-octane performance, embodying the spirit of classic American muscle with modern engineering. Production of the Demon 170 is limited to 3,300 units, with 3,000 allocated for the US market and 300 for Canada. This exclusivity, combined with its groundbreaking performance, makes it a coveted piece for collectors and enthusiasts alike. In conclusion, the 2025 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170 is more than just a car, it's a statement. It represents the pinnacle of internal combustion performance, a nod to the past, and a bridge to the future. For those fortunate enough to experience it, the Demon 170 offers an unparalleled thrill, solidifying its place in automotive history. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the Demon 170. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of hyperstance continues to the rear, giving the car a muscular and planted look that enhances aerodynamics and stability at high speeds. At the center, the bold LED taillights maintain Dodge's signature Challenger styling while adding a modern touch. The smoked-out finish complements the car's high-performance nature, creating a sinister and commanding presence. Below, The rear bumper is sculpted for aerodynamics, with integrated vents that help manage airflow and reduce drag. One of the most striking features is the massive dual exhaust system. Tuned for maximum performance, it delivers an earth-shaking roar that announces the Demon 170's insane power. The diffuser at the bottom enhances downforce, ensuring stability during high-speed runs and drag strip launches. A subtle yet distinctive Demon 170 badge sits proudly on the trunk lid, signifying its exclusivity. The lightweight trunk also features an optional drag-style parachute mount, emphasizing its quarter-mile dominance. A lip spoiler or optional high-performance rear wing is available, improving high-speed stability while adding to the car's aggressive look. Every detail of the Demon 170's rear is crafted for both aesthetics and function. Whether on the street or the drag strip, the backside of this beast leaves a lasting impression both visually and with the unmistakable sound of its supercharged Hemi V8 roaring into the distance. The backside of the 2025 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170 is a perfect blend of aggression, functionality, and aerodynamics, ensuring it looks just as intimidating from behind as it does from the front. Every design element serves a purpose, from its wide stance to its aerodynamic enhancements, making it a true powerhouse on both the street and the drag strip. The wide-body rear fenders extend outward, giving the Demon 170 a broader and more planted appearance. This not only enhances its muscular aesthetics but also provides additional room for the massive drag radial tires, which are essential for gripping the pavement during hard launches. The aggressive stance ensures that the car looks ready to pounce, even when parked. At the center of the rear, Dodge maintains its signature full-width LED taillight design. The lights are slightly smoked, giving them a stealthy and modern touch that complements the high-performance nature of the vehicle. The illuminated outline adds a menacing glow at night, making the Demon 170 instantly recognizable from a distance. The rear bumper is sculpted for aerodynamics and features integrated air vents to help manage airflow, reducing turbulence at high speeds. These subtle but effective elements contribute to the car's overall performance, ensuring stability even when pushing past 150 miles per hour on the quarter-mile strip. A major highlight of the back end is the massive dual exhaust system. Tuned for maximum power and an aggressive sound profile, the Demon 170's exhaust emits a deep, throaty roar that lets everyone know this is no ordinary Challenger. The rumble and crackles on deceleration add to the visceral driving experience, making it one of the most exhilarating muscle cars to hear in action. The trunk lid proudly displays a Demon 170 badge, a mark of exclusivity and raw power. Dodge has also designed the rear to accommodate an optional drag parachute mount, further emphasizing the car's purpose-built drag